Hi there and welcome to my channel. I am Carlo and this is my class for beginners. In this video we are going to see how to say have a good day in Italian. Are you ready? Let's get started. Buona giornata, buona serata, buon fine settimana, buona notte. As always, I'm asking you to match the Italian words with the English one. Start from what you already know. You know that day means giorno and sera means evening. Start from there. Take your time, pause your video and restart when you are ready. Well done, you did it right. How do you reply to buona serata, buona giornata, buon fine settimana? Easy, you say anche a te. What about the formal context? You will say anche a lei. Super easy, isn't it? What about buonanotte? You just say buonanotte. Super easy. It's time to practice our pronunciation. Repeat after me. Buona giornata. Buona serata. Buon fine settimana. Buonanotte. Well done. If you like the video, please subscribe, like it, and leave a comment. And see you next time.